A Pakistan Air Force contingent comprising JF-17 Thunder Block 3 fighter jets has landed in Azerbaijan to participate in a bilateral aerial exercise named Indus Shield Alpha. The aerial combat drills will focus on modern aerial warfare tactics and joint mission planning between the Pakistani and Azeri air forces. The deployment of JF-17 fighter jet comes on the back of a $4.6 billion deal signed between Azerbaijan and Pakistan, under which Baku will acquire 40 JF-17 fighter jets from Islamabad. The JF-17 is a fourth-generation multi-role combat aircraft jointly built by China and Pakistan. It is capable of carrying payloads of over 3,600 kilograms and can attain a maximum speed of 1,960 kilometers per hour.